Most people overestimate what they can achieve in 1 year and underestimate what they can achieve in 10. That's why wealthy people think differently about time. They don't ask, "How can I get rich this year?" They ask, "Where will this decision put me 10 years from now?" That single question changes everything, because time is the most powerful force in investing, and almost everyone underestimates it. The 10-year rule is surprisingly simple. Before making any major financial decision, ask yourself one question. Will this choice still benefit me 10 years from today? If the answer is yes, you're probably making a smart decision. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine receiving a $5,000 bonus. You could spend it immediately or invest it for the next 10 years. Now fast forward 10 years. The vacation is only a memory. The new gadget has long been replaced, but the investment is still growing. That's the power of long-term thinking. The wealthy don't just buy things. They buy future cash flow. Every dollar has a job. Some dollars buy today's happiness. Others buy tomorrow's freedom. The 10-year rule isn't just about investing. It works for your career, your business, and every financial habit you build today. Because small improvements, repeated consistently, create extraordinary results. The people who become wealthy usually aren't chasing shortcuts. They're building systems that keep working for years. 10 years will pass, whether you prepare for them or not. Your future wealth depends on the choices you make today. The best time to start following the 10-year money rule was 10 years ago. The second best time is today. Subscribe to BayanIQ for more smart money insights. Watch the next video to continue your journey toward financial freedom.